happening here, and it happens through training. So, please welcome to the Aqua Theater to show us all about that training. Joined by animal trainer Ella, we have California Sea Lion Clark! So, a big part of our job here is making sure that these boys get the best healthcare around. Now, you can't really make a 700-pound sea lion do anything that he doesn't want to do, so we are a team in this. Every single day, our animals help us to inspect them from the tips of their noses to the tips of their tails. Today, let's start with those teeth. Our sea lions are trained to open their mouths and hold their mouths open for our trainers so we can get a good look inside and even touch the inside of their mouth. Now, because being playful is a natural part of sea lion behavior, they can sometimes get a few nicks and scrapes on their flippers, so we inspect those as well. Sea lions have incredible eyesight in and out of the water to help them catch fish and avoid predators. Our animals are trained to look up like this for eye drops and for eye exams. Our animals help us to take blood, hop on the scale to take their weight, take x-rays, and even brush their teeth using fish-flavored toothpaste, of course. Now, training is a great way for these animals to stay fit, to stay engaged, and to stay healthy. Plus, training is an excellent source of physical exercise. Don't believe me? Check this out. Right now, the New York Aquarium is working to preserve our state's very own marine protected sanctuary, the Hudson Canyon. It's an underwater metropolis home to everything from whales and turtles to sharks and corals, and it's right off of our coast. So don't just say you love New York, show it! Because when New Yorkers come together to take care of their own, amazing things. true New Yorker. These animals mean the world to us, and we hope that they mean the world to all of you as well. By joining us here today, you are all proving that you care about saving wildlife and wild places worldwide. Because just as the whole world comes to experience the thrill of New York City, here at the aquarium, we bring the thrill of the ocean to all of you. Thank you so much for joining us here today. Let's have one more big round of applause for the stars of our show. We have animal trainers, Sarah and Ella, and California Sea Lion, Michael Clark and Townsend. Have a wonderful rest of your day at the New York Aquarium.
Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. I want to be a part of it. New York, New York.
Thanks for joining us at the Aquarium.